And in front of me is UMIDIGI S2 Lite, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and click on Advanced. Here you need to mark About Phone, and now scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Tap 7 times on build number, and as you can see now you are a developer. So let's go back, and here developer options appeared. Smoothly mark them to open, and to activate automatic updates you need to scroll a bit lower, and here you've got automatic system updates. Mark it to activate, and from now on updates will be applied automatically once your device restarts, and then obviously you can turn it off the same way. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.